We are Finis, and we come up with the most innovative training gear, and most recently, the most innovative and high-quality racing gear in the swim business. We sell Finis products in over 80 countries around the world, and our team is responsible for driving revenue and building the lifelong value of the Finis brand. Product launches for Finis are really the lifeblood of what we do. That means that at any given time, we're working on 6 or 7 product launches, and we like to call the days before Brandfolder the dark ages. Prior to Brandfolder, coordinating all those assets and everything that we needed to implement a very cohesive campaign was very, very complicated.
I would say maybe half the day was just spent trying to get people images they needed, or fonts or graphics, whatever it may be. And it just made the days so much longer because it was pulling us away from what we really wanted to do, which was like create and design and make cool things.
In sharing and creating the assets that we want the world to have, we really needed something that had global ease of use, that was appealing to our customers and made them proud to share the Finis brand. And I think that's ultimately what it comes down to with Brandfolder, is because we interact with so many different types of customers, whether it's an influencer on social media that wants a certain image or product image or lifestyle image, to the distributor that's running a business in Europe. We have to make sure that that tool is very intuitive, very self-explanatory, something that they feel they can access themselves. Okay, is the Brandfolder link ready? And that's honestly probably the first thing that we share with our employees, but also our customers on launch day.
So if you wanted to find everything on our swimmer snorkel, you could just go to that on our media kits, and within that asset, you're going to find studio images, usage images, text sheets and graphics and everything. They're also able to change the sizes and whatever file format they want on there, which saves us time.
Just yesterday, we got a message in our Wins channel in Slack, and it said, hey, check the homepage on one of our customers' websites. And there's one of our products that we've launched and we've talked about, and they've taken our assets from Brandfolder and they've created this stunning homepage presence of our product. A tool like Brandfolder helps us strengthen our relationship with our customers, especially on a sales side, because our primary goal is to go in and say, how can we help you grow your business? When we provide them with a tool like Brandfolder, they save time, they look good, they feel good. It's just a very smooth and polished experience. They feel supported.
We want to be an open company, and we want people to come and hang out with our brand and use our images and share. I think compared to other digital asset sharing platforms out there, what I love about Brandfolder is just easy to use. Like, it just makes sense.
We've been with Brandfolder for so long now that I think it really is baked into our DNA. We are attached to the hip forever, I think, because it's part of daily habits, it's part of our weekly habits. It's on our homepage of our website. Our customers know to go there. It would really be a shame if we weren't using something like Brandfolder.